The Dark and Stormy is a classic cocktail that beautifully combines the rich, deep flavor of dark rum with the sharp, spicy bite of ginger beer. It's refreshing, simple to make, and perfect for any occasion. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces dark rum. Use a high-quality dark rum like Gosling's Black Seal. 3 ounces ginger beer. Choose a strong ginger beer for the best flavor. Half an ounce lime juice. Freshly squeezed is best as needed. Ice, cubed or crushed. 1 slice lime, for garnish. For equipment you will need highball glass, jigger, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice. Pour the 2 ounces of dark rum over the ice. Add the 3 ounces of ginger beer. Add the 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Gently stir the mixture with a bar spoon to combine. Garnish with a slice of lime. The Dark and Stormy is a registered trademark of Gosling's Brothers Limited. For a cocktail to legally be called a Dark and Stormy, it must be made with Gosling's Black Seal rum.